I have a molded power cord with 3 wires, black, white and green. How do I determine which wire goes to which prong?
Welcome to JustAnswer.com. Can you tell me what are you trying to connect the cord to?
Hooking up control, and I have a molded power cord, 3 wires black, white, green with a molded plug on one end and 3 bare wires at other end. I want to determine which prong on the cord is hooked up to which color wire. I know the ground trying to determine is black and white.
If you look at the plug, it should have one round hole. One is longer with a vertical hole on the left and one is shorter with a vertical hole on the right. Is that so?
No, 14 gauge/3 wire, power cord, made by Husky, plugs are the same. Could I hook up a meter?
If you are looking at the plug, the prong on the right is neutral, white wire, and the prong on the left is hot, black wire, and prong on the bottom is ground because on the outlet left prong is neutral, right is hot and bottom is ground. Is that the information you are looking for? That makes sense, as that is how the outlet matches up. You are welcome. Please consider rating my answer when satisfied, as it's the only way I get paid my share of your payment.
It's the same project building a test chamber, need to heat up and hold at 80 and then cool down and hold at 55, using a small chest freezer. Cut out the thermostat on freezer and verify the freezer still comes on, have black, white and ground wires. Have a 2-stage controller with 2 independent relays. Wire the black one from the freezer to the one output on the relay, and then the second output on the relay wired to black incoming power. The white from the freezer went direct to the white of incoming power. It needs to be wired so that the freezer on output 1 is wired to the normally open and common. Normally open is pin 8, common is pin 7. Turn on the control and the relay is showing off, yet the freezer is on and working?
If you take the black wire going to the freezer from relay, does it shut off? Please tell me exactly what terminals and how many does the relay have? Attachment, 2013-0228-192102-doc062.pdf copy of wiring diagram. I'm not sure of what exactly do you mean disconnect? The black wire is going from terminal 8 on relay to freezer? Splice all white wires together and add one white pigtail to the splice. Connect the other end of that white pigtail to the terminal 4. Add 3 black pigtails to the black supply feed wire. Connect the black pigtails to following terminals 5, 7 and 10. Black to heater connects to terminal 11. Black to freezer connects to terminal 8. All grounds together. Is that how you have it? Yes, that is how it is. Do you have probe, sensor, hooked up? Yes, one probe. And what is happening? What's wrong? Ambient is at 65 F. I have it set to control and hold at 80 F. Plug in the control. Relay 2, heater shows on, is on, but the freezer relay shows off, but the freezer is on. The freezer should not be switched on. Well, you have it wired per manufacturer diagram, so only thing I can say is it's the problem with board.
Thanks.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.